Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you are well today. We just received some delivery today, so just want to show you what we have. So first one is gas came from Next, and I ordered plenty of other things, but I'm not sure what's inside. So I just open this one and share with you what we have today. So guess, anybody guess what's inside?
Like clothes.
Whose clothes? Your clothes?
It's my clothes.
Huh? iPad. It's not.
No, I'll feel it. What? Feel it.
Clothes. Is that yours?
What? I'll feel it.
Oh, what is inside? It's a. Wait. Wow. Nice t-shirt. Let me have a look. What size is this one? That's 8 years. That's what I'm glad. Listen, don't cry. You are in the camera, okay? Okay. Oh, you ordered a lot of. They are just sending us. Okay. This time, that's for Amazon. Okay.
That's the one.
All right. Now, next one. What we have to show our viewers.
That's the big one.
No. After this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Then we went to the curry and bought
Hey guys.
toaster. Is it toaster? I think so. Yeah. So just open this box and let's see what's inside. How it looks like. There we go, guys. Be careful. Be careful. Move. Don't touch. Don't try. Okay. I move. Don't touch. Wow. Wait. You don't do anything, okay? Don't try. Wow, so nice. Wow, it's so nice.
Oh my god.
Move, over the side. Move. It's a toaster. We can one time 4 slice we can make one just in one time. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in a row in one time. Nice one. Wow. So nice.
Now we have last one.
Yeah. What we have now today? I'm gonna move this.
No.
There we go, guys.
It's very big. I don't know.
This is printer HP. What is the model number? Let me have a look. It's whatever. I don't know what's yeah. It's Deskjet 2721E. It's Deskjet 2721E. So let's see how it looks like inside and what we get.
How can I put the
Ahmed, move.
How can I go?
Wow, there's the menu of this printer. These are ink cartridge. I'm gonna move, yeah. That's the cable. I just might be they just features I discuss with you later on. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, so nice. It's in white color. And what feature? It's a wireless. We don't need to plug in any cable to take a print. Just order your prints to your any smartphone. And I've got also its cover. I paid extra 14 quid, and that they give me 3 year cover. If anything happen with my this printer, any technical it's broke technically or any other fault, they're gonna cover me. They're gonna replace this my faulty printer with a new brand new one, brand new other one. So I I bought this cover as well with the 14 pound, and I think it's a very good offer. So
Pop it up.
I think you like my video. So please subscribe my channel, and I will share you my features video as well. And then you get it if you subscribe me. So look after yourself. Thank you. Thank you.